Good afternoon, everybody. Today, the Toy Jeep is going to do a short video on a Runaway Venturist XS. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to install what's called the LevelMatePRO. And for those of you that don't know what this is, it is a leveler. So instead of having these little levelers here, this is a Bluetooth leveler. I'm going to install it on the inside, right here in the middle. Doesn't matter, you can put it on sideways, you can put it on either way, but I'm going to put it right in here. And there's an app, I'll check to see if I can show you. There's an app that would actually tell you if it needs to be leveled to the left, to the right, up or down. It's a great product. I have it on my other travel trailer, and we just purchased it for the Runaway Venturist. As you can see, we have the number one, and we're doing little modifications here and there, not too much, but if you can see, once we open it up now, what do we have? Ta-da! Motion activated lights. It is awesome. They took it out camping one night. They had the problems where they couldn't see inside, so they purchased these motion activated lights, as you can see there. Like I was saying, we're going to install it right here in the center. So I already wiped it down with alcohol swabs on both sides. I'm going to put two-phase tape so there'll be no drilling, and install it right there. Like I said, hopefully I'll be able to show you what it looks like on the phone. Alright, really quick, like I said, I just used some alcohol to wipe down. Here's the LevelMatePRO. All I did was I used 3M double-sided tape. I'm going to go ahead and take out the tape and put it on. Alright, I'm going to show you what I did. I took the leveler, put it right on top. Make sure it was leveled out. Where is it? Oops. Make sure it was leveled out. And it is level out. It's just that I'm inside of it. So I'm putting weight to one side. Once I got it leveled out, I went ahead and pushed it on here, and that's what it looked like. Press it on. Being taped, there should not be any issues. There you have it. So, I will not be able to show you on the Bluetooth how it works. Why? Because I'm using the phone. So that's why. But if you want, you can go online and look at LevelMate Pro. Go on other websites on YouTube or just go onto their site. It's a great product. They have the one that comes with the accessories, which is what I recommend, which is this right here. And for those of you that don't know what this is, I can go ahead and show you real quick. What it is once you pull up to the site, you're gonna turn on your leveler. It's gonna tell you, okay, you need to lift it up from the passenger side 2 inches. In the box, you're gonna pull out this mat, put it here, and why? It's that so it doesn't slide. You have two levels here. This has a name. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the big one, just gonna stick it right underneath here, just like so, and you're gonna go back as far slowly, and as you can see, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches, something similar to that. But you're gonna back up as you're looking at your leveler on your phone, and it's gonna tell you once you're even. Once you're even, you stop, go back to the box, about the small one, and you just come back and you stick it right in there, and that'll hold it into place. And then of course go to the front and put your regular one so it doesn't move back up on you. And that's it. It's a perfect item. Believe me, when my boy was telling me when he took out the trailer, it was a pain for him to level it, try to put blocks underneath. They had to go back and forth. This is simple. It's going to cost you a little money, but you know what? The headaches are endless. So I want to say I got it for $149 on sale. It's about $179. So if you're interested, I'll leave you the link. Let me know if you got any questions. I'll help you answer them. Hope you liked the short video. I'll see you in the next one.